morning, everyone. I trust that you're doing so well today by the special grace of God. So this is your girl. I am still in the southwest, and as you can see, it's raining and the weather is so beautiful. I love the rain. I feel like going into the rain, and I will go. Yay. I know you guys cannot see the rain, but it's actually raining. Let me see if I can get one drop of rain and I'll show you guys. No, come to the plants. See, it's raining. See, it's wet. And it's so beautiful. I love it. You need to come to Africa, especially Cameroon. I feel a lot of peace. The weather is amazing. And I'm enjoying myself.